They're open. Nice. Double indicators. $25 floors, pretty tall for Salt Lake City.
425.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Look who's here.
What's up? You tracking us?
No, I was just here. I didn't realize you guys would be here. That's funny. I'm gonna go finish my video. I'll be back up.
Yeah, yeah.
No, that one was unlocked.
That was.
Yeah. That's kind of funny. Small city.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back up.
Lobby.
We'll go back up. Yeah, I guess the other ones are cars now. These are, I'm not gonna lie, these are a little disappointing. They could be faster. They're 25 floors, I guess we're okay, but still. The cabs are a bit boring for Hyatt Regency.
$425.